very important. The foundation. Well, I say we need to understand the cradle of technology, how we have been able to evolve from a crude stage to an advanced stage we are currently. Of course, things are evolving per time. So, but we have to know where we are coming from so that we know where we are going. Do you understand? We have to know where we are coming from so that we know where we are going. So, that's what I'm talking about. Before different industrial revolution. Before different industrial revolutions span across the 17th century up to the present moment. The first one we look at is the steam engine, like the use of steam engine. The steam engine was during the first revolution. When I say revolution, I'm talking about drastic change that took place in industry that made things to be disrupted in the industrial space. Now, steam made industries to become more, in terms of efficiency compared to what was being done before. Maybe using animal power to be able to, drive agricultural tools or agricultural engines. Those are mechanical engines, or agricultural engines. Now, steam was now invented. Of course, that generates some level of power, which is higher than previous power generation. So it was used, but although in our time here we can say, okay, it's crude. Now, in terms of it's not really civilized way of doing things, but then it was. Now, moving away from the first industrial revolution, we moved to the second industrial revolution, which was driven purely by electricity. So, electricity create more efficiency in terms of power generation. The scalability, the size of generation of power became very, very efficient, and up to now, the industries are still being driven by electricity. You can see a whole lot of industries rely on countries and private sector, public sector rely on electricity. Whether you are generating it through hydroelectric power supply or you are generating it through nuclear energy or through renewable energy, that is electricity. So we go at all costs to make sure that we have electricity in our homes, to tell you how important it is. So electricity is quite very important. That was what led to the second industrial revolution. Okay. Then the third industrial revolution came up during the advent of computer. So computer revolutionized a whole lot in the industrial sector, industrial space. Now, computer, you can see that many engines now, they are computerized. They are computerized in terms of the way they are built. It used to be purely mechanical in everything, even our computer those days used to be mechanical, but now everything is computerized in terms of its electronics now, and it's computerized, it's programmed. There's software that runs in it. Some are specialized software, some are general purpose software. So they are specialized in stuff like this. So everything is computerized now. So that caused massive revolution in industry. Then the fourth industrial revolution, which is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is driving everything now. You have what is called generative AI. You have supervised learning, supervised learning, you have symbolic AI, and we have state-of-the-art AI we call deep learning now. So there are a lot of things happening in the space of AI now. And we are even talking about the general artificial intelligence like that, the AI machine could behave like human, with general knowledge, just like humans are. And there's an advance towards that direction. So you can see even ChatGPT, for instance, how it's causing revolution in the educational sector or educational industry. Students are, banking on this now to write so many things, and so it's really causing a lot of disruption. And AI will keep evolving. So we now talk about the responsible use of AI or ethical AI now. So, but AI is now the fourth industrial revolution, artificial intelligence. So this will cause and is causing a revolution industrially. So this is just what I want to just present to you. And I believe that if you have anything different, please you can leave some comments, or you can write your comments on the description box, or also you can send a mail to me. And if you want me to talk about any topic or make any videos about a particular series, a series of videos about a particular course or a particular domain or area, do let me know in the comment section, and I will respond swiftly to you. So thank you again once again for watching this video, and do have a nice